Appointments are at the heart of Trafft, making scheduling easier and more efficient for you. Trafft focuses on simplifying the booking process for you and your team. Its primary feature is front-end booking, where customers can easily visit your booking website, select their desired service, and make an appointment. However, in cases where you need to book an appointment over existing appointments, you can do so by creating the appointment through the backend. To be able to do it, you'll first need to adjust the settings for admins, super admins, or any custom roles you create. To modify these settings, navigate to Settings, Users and Roles, then click the Roles tab. Click on the three dots menu next to the role you wish to edit. Select Edit. In the Role Settings screen, scroll down and locate the Allow Users to Book Over an Existing Appointment option. Enabling it will allow you to book overlapping appointments through the backend booking form. When creating an appointment through the backend, the time drop-down will display notifications next to time slots that are already booked.